Hi guys, today we're going to do the viral drink with grapes and Sprite. You have to have some grapes, but we're going to make much for the family today. So first we take the grape and wash them because we have already washed them, so we should put them in here. And after you're done that, you have to put you have to open this one.
Show them what it is.
It's Sprite, just as you all know.
Here, show them. Yes, yeah.
This is Sprite.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna put it in.
Yeah. That's enough, I think. And then
I don't think that's enough.
put a little bit more. Okay. Yeah.
Now we're going to take the blender on. There. Oh.
Try to put it here.
Yeah.
Again. I think more it is.
Mamma, si släppte ut den.
Nej, okay. So we can put also ice inside of here if you want.
And we're going to put ice. You don't have to, but we're going to.
No,
No, Mama.
they're not.
Okay. Let me just close it really.
Wow.
I think it looks. Oh. It's going crazy now, so. It's shaking.
I think it's enough.
After a little while, it should be looking like this. It maybe looks a little bad, but I heard many good views about it, so let's try. It looks like grape only,
Oh my god.
or like
Wait, we should get
vegetable.
this one. Wow. Oh.
I'm so excited.
Oh. Look at this. What is this on the top? Okay.
It smells like Sprite. Now because we're done. Cheers! It's good. It's so good.
Yeah, it is.
You should try it at home. Guys, please subscribe. And it's only 2 ingredients. It's just grape and Sprite.
That's it. And then the drink is ready. Woohoo!
And ice, if you want.
If you want, bye. Subscribe.